Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can highlight your text using the CapCut app. So let's get started right away. Now, if there is a text that you would like to highlight within your project, then first you will need an image file of the color that you would like to use for highlighting. This is usually a yellow color. You can simply search for this kind of image, and once you find your desired color, just save this on your device. You can then import this to your CapCut project and now just drag it onto your timeline above the text that you would like to highlight. Once it is above your desired text, look at the right side and scroll down, and then expand the blend mode. Within the blend mode, click on the drop-down menu and then choose multiply. This will now make the text visible. After this, click on the mask option, and now you will see various different masks. Click on add mask and then choose the rectangle option. Now you can resize your mask. Just choose your desired masking size and place it in your desired starting location. Just highlight the first word, and now scroll down, and alongside mask settings, you will find the keyframe button. Click on add keyframe, and this will now add a small diamond icon within your first frame where you have added the mask on the first letter. After this, move forward onto your timeline and then add another keyframe. And now on this keyframe, make sure to highlight the entire text. Once that is done, you can now preview how your text looks. You can adjust the starting and ending position, and you can also adjust the speed at which your highlighting moves forward. If you decrease the distance between the two keyframes, then your highlighting will be much faster. And on the other hand, if you move it away, then your highlight will be much slower. And with this method, you can add highlights to your text with just a few clicks on CapCut. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to highlight your text on CapCut. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.